In this video, I'll show you how you can fix DistributedCOM error 10016. First step is you want to search for services, scroll down until you find F, and you want to look for function discovery resource publication. Not the provider host, but the resource publication. Double click, set it on automatic delayed start, and make sure you press stop if it says running. So make sure it's stopped and automatic delayed start. Press OK, and then what you want to do after this is we want to search for Windows, update settings, scroll down and find advanced options, go to delivery optimization, and make sure you turn off allow downloads from other PCs. Once you've done this, come here and search for run, type wsreset.exe. This should open a little black box, and this should open up your Microsoft Store. Now just wait a few seconds for everything to load, and once it's done loading, you just want to close it down, restart your PC, and now it should work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.